Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and today I'm answering your question. Annabelle says she struggles with staying focused and organized, and I want to share some of the things that I do with you. I do like a massive brain dump first at the beginning of the quarter, in the beginning of the year, with like what I want to achieve, what my goals are, what my schedule is going to look like, planning it out. But I do it at the beginning of the month, and then I do it at the beginning of each week. So Sunday, I'm sitting there with my planner and I'm like brain dumping all the things that need to happen, and I think, do I have to do all these things? Can I outsource some of them? What needs to happen to move my business forward? In terms of actually staying productive, then I put those things and I chunk it down and I say, Monday, I'm gonna do this one thing. Tuesday, I'm gonna do this one thing. And I break it down to what needs to happen every single day. And then I look at what time am I gonna do that one thing. So if I'm gonna write my blog post, okay, I'll put it down at 9 a.m., write your blog post, and then when I actually sit down on Monday to do it, I'll set a timer on my phone, set a timer for 1 hour, so then I'm sitting down, I'm focused, my phone is away, so I'm actually staying focused. You can put it on airplane mode, turn it off, whatever you gotta do, and just sit down and do it, get it done. So using a timer, using a planner, being specific with what your goals are, and focusing on the things that are gonna move you forward are gonna help you so much. And not checking email, and not checking Facebook. So do the most important things first before you do the other things, because email is other people's agenda that's going to take you away from what it is that you intended to do. So I haven't touched email on it today. I probably won't until I'm done with everything. So I hope that helps. Head to She's Making an Impact for more tips to build your business, and I'll see you later.